Hello everyone. I hope you are benefiting from the strategies that I have tested multiple times before and presented to you, which have yielded profits. My only goal is to achieve profits together and to contribute, even if it is small, to providing a better life for your families and loved ones. Today, I will share a strategy that I have backtested for a long time and have seen a 67% success rate. Of course, this rate was obtained under the market conditions that I have tested. This rate can increase in a smoother trending market or decrease in a sideways market. Keep this in mind. Before we start, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you haven't do already. As always, if you had any questions or if you want me to review certain indicators, please write them in the comments section. First, I am displaying the settings of the indicators we will be using in this strategy. Now that we have set the indicator parameters, let's move on to our trading rules. First, let's take a look at an example of a long position. Rule 1. A green candle must cross and close above the upper line of the ADR underscore or SRL indicator. Rule 2. The volume MOSC indicator must be above the zero line at the level of the trigger candle. The rules for the trade are met. The risk-reward ratio is 1 to 1.5. The stop-loss level should always be below the last swing for long positions and above the last swing for short positions.
Yes.
Let's take a look at another example of a long position. The green candle must cross and close above the upper line of the ADR underscore or SRL indicator. At the same time, the volume MOSC indicator must be above the zero line. The conditions are met here. According to the price action, our conditions are met again in a very short time. We are opening another long position trade. And we hit the target again. Now let's add a 200 period EMA line to our chart and further strengthen our strategy. We will now only open long positions when the price is above the EMA line and only short positions when it is below the line. This way, we have an extra filter to avoid exiting our trades with a loss. I believe that you had easily understood the rules of the trade. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. Now let's take a look at a few examples and reinforce the strategy. In this example, I want to give you an idea that can increase our profit ratio. The rules for entering the trade are the same, but when the price reaches the 1 to 1.5 profit level, we close half of the position and move the stop-loss level to the entry point, thus continuing our higher profit target without risk. Where are we going to close the entire trade? We will close the remaining of the trade when the price crosses the EMA line in the opposite direction and a candle closes. Let's see how far this trade will go. Dear friends, I hope the strategy I have tried to show you in this video brings you plenty of profits. Please remember, there is no 100% winning strategy, but trading down with discipline and patience always brings more profit than loss and helps increase your capital. See you in the next video. Bye.